Hi everyone. In this module, Module 3, we will explore strategies for identifying a research problem relating to the scholarship of learning and teaching. Now, a research problem is the issue that you plan to address through your investigation. The approach you tackle to addressing the issue or research problem will be influenced by the nature of the research questions you frame, as well as, and drawing on the readings from our first module, your epistemological position. Some questions lend themselves to a more quantitative approach, while others more qualitative. More often in learning and teaching research, the design involves mixed methods, recognizing that while quantitative data, such as rating scales, provide important insights, they rarely answer the why or how questions in which we are often interested. Your research problem will very likely arise from a topic of interest to you. That is always a good starting point. However, as you know from our discussion of the various ways in which we may conceive of the nexus between teaching and research, research in the scholarship of learning and teaching will generally either answer a pedagogical issue or focus on strategies for improving our approach to learning and teaching to enhance student success. There is often a tendency to jump into the deep end too early in the process of defining the research problem or related research questions, but that can be a mistake because in doing so we limit our ability to think laterally and creatively about different approaches to addressing the issue. So in this module, we will draw on insights from the design world, since there are many parallels between creative thinking and identifying innovative approaches to research. Using creative problem solving as our framework, you will be introduced to strategies for identifying a problem, articulating your value position and assumptions, reversing those assumptions, and then brainstorming various ways of thinking about the problem. This process involves divergent thinking initially, exploring as many possible aspects and dimensions of the problem as possible, before progressing towards convergent thinking as we begin to narrow down the options and focus on our research, and hence our research questions. By the end of this module, you should have reached the stage of being able to share your research problem, and you should also be able to draft your initial research questions.